Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are at. In this edition, I'm going to open a mystery box. I just got this mystery box in the mail. It's a mystery box. I did open it up, but I saw something heavy in there. I have an idea what it may be, but it's an unboxing, and then I'm going to show you how it works, whatever it is. I think I have a good idea what it is. Let me open it up. It's rather modestly packaged, to be honest with you. Nothing spectacular, just this little plastic bag that says, a warning, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep the bag away from babies. So this is a KEDSUM hand truck, and it's used to, you place stuff on it. Some people use them to go to the airport. They take all their luggage, a bunch of luggage. I'm the kind of guy that just carries a backpack and that's it. If I need some more clothes, I'll buy them where I'm at and then get rid of them when I'm there. So let me see. This is rather modest packaging. I'm going to be very straightforward with you. Nothing lavish about this. This definitely doesn't inspire a lot of confidence, but we'll give it a try. They make quite a few hand trucks, even up for luggage and everything. Let me just snap this open. Hey, that's a nice sound. That's a very nice sound. So so this is where I'm at so far. I gotta still tear up all these little plastic bits. Let me just rip this thing open. So I'm ripping it open. I see wheels. Yes, we have some wheels already. Look, these wheels are here. Oh, I'm trying to get it open. Let me put it down here and get the knife to it. Hey, we're getting somewhere. There we are. Again, like I said, rather modest packaging. Nothing, outrageously exciting. You know how some people buy a new iPhone or an Apple computer and it comes in this little, like almost jewel case, and they go, wow, they open it up and go, this is like a little present. This is rather modest. It's just this hand truck, and it's in this little plastic bag. Let me grab this little piece that's dragging it up. There's a strap. And another strap. Did they leave me any cash? No, they didn't give me any cash. That's no fun. So it's in a plastic bag. And this is it right here. Ooh. So this is the KEDSUM. Again, if it's not written all over it, I don't think it's very much. Okay, there it is. And it comes with this right here, a little plastic, sort of a nylon bag. Very nice bag. It's a good size. Let me see if I can cover the whole screen with it. There it is. Little bag. And these straps, let me see what kind of straps these are. These are, the classic, you lock in the webbing in here and it just locks. Very nice, very nice. You get two of those so you can lock down stuff. So I'm going to put it on the table. I'm going to put it on the table and shoot some photographs of it. Is that all right with you? Let's just do that right now. Here's a view from the top. It has 6 very good wheels. I like these wheels. They move around quite nicely. Again, you get 6 wheels for this little hand truck that can be used around the house, at your RV, at the airport, wherever you go. It's up to you where you want to take it, but definitely good around the house and around the RV. Let me turn this around so you have another shot of it. Right about there. So what do you think? These are very sturdy wheels. Look at those wheels. These are sturdy wheels. These rotate. Again, look at those wheels. Those are solid, hard wheels, and these right here turn around also. Look at that. And they lock, of course. So what do you think of these wheels? What do you think of the bottom of the hand truck? Let me deploy the hand truck. Here I am rolling it around the old living room. When I first extended this, it kept on going in and out. Then I extended just a little bit more, and finally it locked in there. For a while there, I thought it wasn't working. So I have a box on there, a piece of stuff, because I'm getting ready to move in about 1.5 years. So we've been packing. We gave ourselves a little leeway to get going. So again, press this button and it collapses. Also, this right here locks into here and it'll be vertical. So let me lock it in there. Now it's vertical. There we go. The problem is I'm trying to, ooh, there, I finally got it up. Now I got it up all the way. Pretty good, huh? I like it. And there's another one I like better that has big wheels on. You can roll it like this a little bit better. This rolls okay. I like rolling things that way. I don't necessarily like to roll it flat. So there we are. It's right there. Very nice. Very nice indeed. What do you think? Thanks for watching my video on the KEDSUM, and here's the instructions. I have to read them next time. I should read the instructions, shouldn't I? I'm such a guy that I don't read instructions or listen to other people give me instructions. So this is the KEDSUM, KEDSUM folding hand truck. Very nice, and it's super sturdy for sure. It's super sturdy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you can always use this hand truck to drag stuff from your RV, or you're doing some travels around the house. I'm pretty sure it's multifunctional. So thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments. Where do you leave those kind and friendly comments? In the comment section. Muchos gracias. And don't forget to check out my website, rvta.myportfolio.com. That's my RVing and travel website. I have a commercial website, but that's my RVing and website for this channel. And if you can, become a member. There's some information around this video somewhere. You can press a button and you can give me $5. And if you're Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, those kind of people, you can donate $2. Okay, you can donate $2 if you want, if you have the time. That's only if you have the time. And don't forget, you can also become a Patreon subscriber, patreon.com/JMM Garza. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza, checking out the KEDSUM folding hand truck. Very nice, very useful. They sent this to me to look at, to review, and give my opinion about, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much, KEDSUM. It looks like a very nice and very handy piece of equipment my wife and I will definitely enjoy. From Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. Bye-bye.